We are going to start chapter number 14, that is Firms in Competitive Markets, from book Essentials of Economics by N. Gregory Menkev. There are different market structures and we will going to see the firm's behavior, such as where the firms sell products, how they determine the prices, and finally how the firms can maximize their profits. So in this chapter, that is Firms in Competitive Markets, we will discuss about competitive markets, where how the firms behave in perfect competition and how they fix price and quantity in competitive markets. So coming to the characteristics of a competitive market, here we are going to discuss about different features of competitive markets. First one is there are many buyers and sellers in the market. That means there is a large number of buyers and sellers in the competitive market. And the second one is the goods offered by various sellers are largely the same. Since there are many sellers of the product in the market, so it is assumed that goods that are produced and supplied in the competitive markets are homogeneous. That is, these products are same or identical. Now the third property is firms can easily enter or exit the market. That means that whenever firms want to enter the market, they can, and whenever they want to leave the market, they can easily leave the market. There is no restriction or barriers for entry or exit to the markets in the perfect competition. Now, the fourth characteristics of the competitive market is perfect information on both sides of the market. Here both sides refers to seller and buyer. All the sellers and buyers have perfect information or knowledge about the types of products and their prices. They are have complete information about the prices and other aspects of the market. As a result of its characteristics, the perfectly competitive market has the following outcomes. And the first one is the actions of any single buyer in the market have a negligible impact on the market price. And the second one is each buyer and seller takes the market price as given. As a result of these conditions, the actions of any single buyer and a seller in the market have a negligible impact on the market price, and each buyer and seller takes the price as given. Let's take the example of milk market here. So no single consumer can influence the price if you go to buy the milk. Thus assuming that it is the same milk, we do not have like different kinds of milk, so you cannot force buying it at a lower price. That means you cannot influence the price. Then for example, we are going to talk about the seller side. Similarly, each seller of milk has limited control over the price because many other sellers are offering milk that is essentially identical. That means that the product that is milk is the homogeneous product, means it is identical and it's of the same type. Because each seller can sell all he wants at a going price, he has little reason to charge less, and if he charges more, then buyers will go elsewhere. That means that buyers are not willing to buy the milk that if any of the seller is selling it at the a higher price relative comparative to the other sellers. Buyers and sellers in the competitive market must accept the price that the market determines and therefore are said to be price takers. Buyers and the last point is here, that is buyers and sellers must accept the price determined by the market. So in the light of these characteristics, we can say that a competitive market is a market with many buyers and sellers trading identical products so that each buyer and seller is a price taker. As all buyers and sellers are trading homogeneous products, so that all of them must accept the price determined by the price takers.